what's up?
So
Oh my god, I'm already so tired. I didn't start the video yet. I'm already so tired. We just arrived at the Melasti beach. It's so hot. Beautiful beach. Yesterday we were in Jimbaran and today we are in Uluwatu. Uluwatu is the last thing after we come back from Thailand what we're supposed to show you. And yeah, it's actually a beautiful place. What I can say.
this is my favorite beach so far, but yeah, the thing is that I don't know either you like it or not. There are so many beach clubs now.
Yeah, everywhere, at least 7 or 8, we count this, but still beautiful place. We're gonna show you around. Give you a point of view where we are right now. This is the Pantai Melasti beach, obviously in Uluwatu. And there are so many beach clubs. This one is the White Rock. We were there actually once. We make a special video dedicated to the White Rock Beach Club. They're still building, extending to be bigger than it is already, actually pretty big. There is some local place, local beach bar where you could buy some drinks. And then there are Karma Kandara Beach Club, a Sandys Beach Club, and actually something else. I don't know, because last time when we were here it wasn't open. I don't know if it's open or not, but it's too far to go. I cannot catch the breath, seriously. So we're gonna go back to the parking area actually. The beach is actually pretty long and pretty nice. However, the sand is very soft, as you can see. Yeah, that's why it's so hard to walk. But if you love beach, you must really enjoy it here anyways. And this is the beach. Sayang is walking.
So if you're asking that, is it very safe, you know, swimming there? Is there any polluted, you know, like rubbish or something like that? So far, what I see, this one is the cleanest beach in Bali, you know, white sand beach, not many rubbish surround us. And also, yeah, what I can say that many people enjoying their time on the beach, swimming, and then the beautiful sunset will be there soon. So yeah, if you are white sand beach lover, this place is a must for you to visit if you come to Bali and you just want to enjoy the breeze, you know, southern part of Bali, which is a clean beach.
And as Winnie said, many people actually swimming in the water today. This guy having a gimbal actually in the water. I hope so he's not gonna make it wet. Yeah, actually many people swimming here today. That's actually cool. We're going into that direction now, and in case if you would like to just chill in the beach club, one of them is this one. Well, everything is in one place. Also, what I realized, actually quite a lot of local people enjoying the beach here. And I'm talking that as not Balinese, but the Indonesian tourists in general, because the Balinese, many of them, they are busy of praying before Nyapi. And yeah, that's actually how does it look like the beach.
So maybe many of you are curious who actually own the beach club, mostly the beach clubs in Bali. As you see that in Canggu there are a lot. It's just like the mushroom after the rain. It's just like everywhere. And here also there are many beach clubs. Well, based on the information, you know, when I was drinking there with in the local warung, and I asked who actually own that. Mostly the people who own this beach club around the Melasti, owned by Indonesian people from Jakarta, they said, and they share, you know, the profit to the Banjar, something like that. And over there is you know, one local warung with the, you know, umbrella and sunbed for rent. And for your information, for renting the sunbed, it costs you about 100,000 rupiah. 100,000 rupiah for one bed, and then they have to share it with the 13, you know, like Banjars in the village. So actually this village is called Desa Unggasan, and there are 13, you know, Banjars, smaller part of the village. So they said that this is a group over there, you know, even the local warung. So that's why the price here, if you compare with the Sanur price, Seminyak price, is more expensive. Like Damian bought one bintang cost around 40,000 rupiah, but around, you know, like if we go to Kuta Legian or Sanur, the price range is about 30k for one bintang. So yeah, this is it. Why, you know, the cost of, you know, the drinks here is more expensive, because they share the profit.
And then if you are curious who led, you know, these investors build these huge beach clubs everywhere around here, you know, it's actually local authorities, local villagers, local banjas. They actually happy even to let them to build this, because they're getting part of the profit of the business actually for that. So it's like a win-win situation for the locals and for everyone else who was thinking as they destroyed the natural landscape of this one. Well, maybe you can go to local banjar and ask them what do they think by that yourself. Because for us, nothing we can do with that.
All right, so I just remember, when I met somebody in Bangkok who decided, left Bali and then living in Phuket, just because, they were thinking like Bali is more westernized. Everywhere they go, they feel like beach club surroundings with the loud party music. They couldn't enjoy how, like beach supposed to be with the nature and everything. So that's mostly people left Bali and they go to Phuket. So what I can say then, just compare this one like in Pantai Melasti, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beach club in the one line of the...
Actually 7.
Oh, 7! 7 beach club in the one area in Melasti. So yeah, what I can say, if you wanna just enjoy the beach with the nature, surrounding coconut trees, something like that. So no wonder then why people choose, Phuket over Bali. Yeah, I agree that Bali nowadays getting more and more westernized. It's just like Ibiza in Bali, right?
Somehow, but at the end you can still watch the beautiful sunset like this one with the cliffs. Whew, that's how does it look like, guys. Gonna tell you, beautiful place. But this sand, walking on the sand is very hard actually. The very soft sand. It's not like a hard beach like in Seminyak, for example, as you can run even there. Here is like very, very soft, right?
Super hot.
Probably the most soft beach in full entire Bali.
Let's grab another drink.
That's a good idea, let's go.
So I will ask for the one bintang ladder, but actually that they almost already closed time, but...
At 6?
Oh yeah.
Just 5 past 6, that's early to close. That's how does it look inside the warung, by the way. They build this actually here, right? A little bit.
And they share it with the 13 banjars, so that's why they have to share the profit.
That's why 40K.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
And yeah, like I told you, this warung is actually owned by 13 banjars. They said like a group of people, and then they, at the end of the week, they will share the profit. 13 banjar.
That's the villages.
Villages.
Not even people, 13 people, but 13 villages.
But imagine in one day, for one bed, it costs you about 100K.
And it's quite a lot of actually this bed. I'm not counting anyone's money, but but that's actually a lot of money at the end of the day.
Good business. Wow.
That's pretty good business, I have to say. And also, as they're sharing this profit with the banjars, there is actually at the front of the beach club, and the beach club probably sharing also with them. So this is like a kinda win-win situation for everybody. And this is actually already like nearly sunset time. Some locals here enjoying. Also, probably also on this sunbeds here, maybe they have the showers and also the huge parking area. And on the top of this cliff, there used to be a banyan tree hotel, but recently it's different name of the hotel. They didn't got the franchise anymore for some reason. And yeah, that's how does it look like. And beautiful, beautiful sunset actually in the background. Actually, sunsets in Uluwatu are really, really nice. Sometimes the sun is hiding behind the cliff, sometimes not. No, it depends of the time of the year, but this is middle of March. So cool, yeah?
Yeah, so one thing about Uluwatu, what I like is about the cliff, green cliff, and then white sand beach, and sunset. So nice.
So beautiful, isn't it? So one more time I'm gonna tell you, that's the showers. Actually, they are free of charge and you can use it. They are the beach boys like Pamela Anderson when they clean. What was the Baywatch, yeah? That was the Baywatch.
Baby, your brain already operated.
They could film it in the Indonesian version, why not? Bali this. Hadi, you can be an actor as the Pamela.
Oh my god, we had so much fun.
We have always so much fun when we are filming together, right?
Yeah,
Better
so
than laugh than cry, isn't it?
yes. I already enough crying for few
Exactly.
days, and let's enjoy the sunset.
So beautiful, isn't it? Change the lens a little bit wider. Wanted to show you. Yeah, that's actually how does it look like. Sunset gonna be literally in a few minutes, and still quite a lot of people enjoying the time on the beach. And there's actually another beach club. This one belongs to the hotel, but it's a small one. Just in case if you ask.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall.
Alright, so this is how our day in Melasti day. Very hot, but enjoying that we're still laughing, right, honey?
Yeah, trying our best. Somebody said yesterday, Damian, you look so sad. I'm smiling, just not showing myself too much.
Yeah. So sometimes, like my friend Lindy and Lei saying that something happened for the reason. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.